Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain Samsung Mobile Original Chargers. First, understand that using an authentic charger is crucial for your device's health and your safety. Many third-party or fake chargers exist, which can cause serious issues like battery degradation or even fire. We'll guide you through recognizing the real deal, ensuring your phone charges efficiently and safely every time. Let's dive into the details. Identifying an original charger involves a few key checks. Always look for the clear, crisp Samsung logo and official certifications such as OL or CE printed on the adapter. Genuine chargers typically feel substantial and well-built, not light or flimsy. Also, cross-reference the model number and output specifications, like voltage and amperage, with your phone's manual or official Samsung website. These details are vital for authenticity. Original Samsung chargers are engineered for specific performance. They consistently deliver the correct power output, commonly 15 watts for standard charging or 25 watts for faster options, depending on your device. These chargers also incorporate advanced safety features, preventing issues like overcharging, short circuits, and overheating, which protects your phone's battery life. This optimization ensures efficient and safe power delivery. Ultimately, investing in an original Samsung charger offers significant long-term benefits. It safeguards your phone's battery and internal components from potential damage caused by inconsistent power delivery. You'll experience consistently faster and more reliable charging, maximizing your device's uptime. Furthermore, using genuine accessories helps maintain your phone's warranty and ensures adherence to crucial safety standards, giving you peace of mind.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.